Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just wanted to show you this project I'm working on today. It's a Toro 4200 sprayer, and this thing has a draw. So when we park it for more than about a week, it drains the battery. I suspect it's the computer because if I disconnect the main harness from the sprayer assembly on the back, it does not draw. The battery stays full. So this thing's turned off. We've tried a bunch of different combinations of the switches. I suspect there's a solenoid somewhere that's caught, and it's causing this thing to drain. So for now, rather than it be a big panic every time they need to use it, the battery be dead, I've decided to install one of these Moroso brand battery disconnect switches. So this is the 100 amp version with 1000 amp intermittent crankability to it. There's two, make sure you get the right one. The other one's only 125 amp. Altogether I think 60 amp crank. So make sure you get the right one. What I've done is drilled a hole here, and what I'm going to do is take this switch and install it right there, and I'm going to run the positive battery terminal, which currently runs to the back of the starter. I'm going to run it along the frame and to one terminal of this switch, and then I'm going to create a new battery cable and run it from the other terminal back down the frame, back into this loom and to the starter. It's the only positive lead coming off the battery straight to the starter, and once it gets to the starter it breaks off to a few different points on the machine. So I should be able to effectively kill the complete electrical system with this switch, and they'll turn it on when they need it, they'll turn it off when they don't. I'm also going to add a LED light to the back of the roll bar so that when they have the unit turned on, this light is on, they know that the battery is connected, and when they leave the machine they can see that the battery's on, so they'll remember to turn it off. We've had a lot of problems with machine ignitions being left on, and that LED light seems to remind everybody when they walk past the machine that it's on, and someone will eventually turn it off. So yeah, I'm gonna wire this up, and I'll make another quick little clip when it's working. Alright guys, so I'll just show you what I did here. Drilled a hole in this piece of tin and mounted the switch, and then I ran the existing battery cable that ran from the battery positive terminal around this loom and to the starter there. I rerouted it backwards this way to the off side of the connector, and then I made a new cable and ran it from the on side back down and to the starter right there. Also what I did was I added a LED light, you can see it, and I've ran a ground cable and a power cable all the way down to under here, and you can actually see that's the ground right there, and you can't really see it, but the positive feed wire runs to the on side of the switch. So when you flick this switch to the on position, you get a light. When you switch it to the off position, it kills the power. So this completely disconnects the battery from this work truck, and it gives you an indicator that it's connected, someone's left it on, it's off. So hopefully from here on in we won't be trying to use this thing first thing early in the morning and the battery be completely dead. Thanks for watching.